If your Windows 11 takes too long to start or your laptop loads slowly after turning it on, this video will help you fix that. I will show you the most effective methods to speed up your startup time and make your computer load much faster. Let's begin. The first fix is turning on Fast Startup. This feature lets Windows start faster after shutdown. Here's how to do it. Open the Run box by pressing Windows key and R. Now type Control powercfg.cpl and press Enter. This opens the Power Options window. Click on Choose what the power buttons do. Then click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Now you will see an option called Turn on Fast Startup. Tick that box and click Save. With Fast Startup enabled, Windows loads faster because it uses a hybrid boot method, so this alone can reduce startup time significantly. Fix number 2. Disable startup apps. Many apps start automatically when your PC turns on, and that slows down boot speed. To disable them, right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Here, go to the Startup Apps tab. You will now see a list of programs that launch on startup. Look at apps you don't need immediately. Right-click on any unnecessary app and select Disable. Then repeat this same step. Right-click on the next unwanted app and choose Disable. Some examples of apps you can disable safely are Spotify, Steam, Discord, Microsoft Teams, Adobe Updaters, Trial antivirus software. Only keep apps that are related to system functions like drivers or keyboard control software. With fewer apps launching, your system will start up much faster. Fix number 3. Stop background apps. Now we will prevent apps from running silently in the background. To do this, open Settings by pressing Windows key and I together. This will instantly open the Settings menu. Now go to Apps, then open Installed Apps. Here you will see a complete list of programs installed on your system. Click on any app you don't use very often, then select Advanced Options. Look for Background App Permissions and change it to Never. This stops that app from running when you are not using it. Repeat the same steps. Choose another app, open Advanced Options, and set background permissions to Never again. This reduces RAM usage, CPU usage, and improves startup performance. Fix number 4. Clear temporary files and use disk cleanup. Temporary files keep piling up and affect startup time. We will remove them completely. First step, press Windows key and R. Type temp and press Enter. A folder opens. Press Ctrl A to select everything, then press Delete. Now repeat the same step again. Press Windows key and R once more. Type %temp%, then press Enter. Select all files using Ctrl A and delete them. These are safe to remove, and clearing them helps Windows start faster. Now let's use disk cleanup for a deeper clean. Follow these steps. Click the Start menu, type Disk Cleanup, and open the app. It will ask which drive you want to clean. Select your C drive and click OK. Now a list of items will appear. Check the following items: temporary files, temporary internet files, recycle bin, optional, delivery optimization files, DirectX shader cache, device driver packages. After selecting them, click OK and confirm Delete Files. Disk cleanup may take a few minutes depending on how much junk exists. After this cleanup, your system will have more free space and startup will happen faster because Windows loads fewer leftover files. Have fix number 5. Use high performance mode. Windows slows the system, especially on laptops, to save battery. We will change that. First, click on the Start menu. Type Control Panel and open it. Change the view to large icons if needed. Now open Power Options. Here you will see different plans: Balanced, Power Saver, High Performance. Select High Performance mode. If you cannot see it, click on Show Additional Plans and then select High Performance. This instructs Windows to use full CPU power during startup, which means apps open faster and the computer responds more smoothly after login. Fix number 6. Update storage drivers. Outdated storage drivers can slow down startup. Right-click on the Start button. Open Device Manager. Expand Storage Controllers. Right-click on your storage device and choose Update Driver. This improves boot reliability and overall system response. Bonus fix: turn off animations. Animations can make startup feel slower. To disable them, search for Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. Open it. Now click on Adjust for Best Performance. Or manually uncheck animations like Animate Windows when minimizing, Fade Effects, show shadows under windows. Turning these off makes Windows feel faster and more responsive. That's it. After applying these fixes, your Windows 11 system should start much faster and feel smoother immediately after login. If this guide helped you, click like and subscribe for more easy fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.